Well, ladies and gentlemen, all right. So, what I want to explain, what I was doing, I'm still right by the school. I was supposed to be participating in the ribbon cutting ceremony, but I guess it's going to be on the inside instead of the outside, though. You know, I'm still by Lafayette School. We're formerly known as Lafayette. Well, going to be formerly known as Lafayette, but it's going to be the Leah Chase School now. Okay. So unfortunately for me, they're not going to do the ribbon cutting ceremony like I thought. It all going to be on the inside. So I had to leave because I thought they was going to do the ribbon cutting ceremony outside, you know, but unfortunately it's going to be on the inside, you know. Okay, so if they move it out and stuff like that and I miss it, oh well, you know. So the name of this episode is called supposed to be ribbon cutting ceremony episode. Yeah, it was a good performance though. Okay, so somebody talking to me. Okay, so anyway, y'all, I guess I'm not gonna be part of it. You know, if I would have known I had to put my name on the list and stuff like that, I would have, you know, but I left because I didn't want to break the rules, because you know I have a good reputation in Louisiana. You know what I'm saying? Half good, half bad. You know. Okay, so every time, I almost tripped, y'all. Right here, you know. All right, so anyway, it's just gonna be a whole miss, you know, because you know I have a good reputation here on my show, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to degrade my show, you know. So anyway, y'all, as I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to participate in the ribbon cutting ceremony, but if I'd have known, I would have to put myself on a list. I'm not that famous yet, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get up there, you know. Yes, I am trying to get up there, you know. So what I'm saying, y'all, I am trying to get up there, get famous and everything, you know. So my name ain't on the list, you know. But I'm just yeah, that would have I don't know how viral that would have been for my show, you know. I don't know, you know. But I told the security guard I had to go because I don't want to break the rules, you know what I'm saying? He probably would have added me on the list, but the thing is, I don't want to break the rules, you know? I can't break the rules. That's gonna make that's gonna make your boy Dominoes 7 probably a misdemeanor, or a felon, or something like that, you know? I don't know. I can't make my reputation bad in the state of Louisiana or in the United States, wherever I may go at, you know? Because when I come to y'all town, I wanna be known as the good boy, not the bad boy, you know? So this house for sale. Well, it's safe for sale. That's what it say. All right, so anyway, y'all, as I was, well, the name of this episode is called "Supposed to Be Attending a Ribbon Cutting Ceremony." You know, that's what I was supposed to. How you doing? All right, so anyway, y'all, ladies and gentlemen, I guess that's that. Well, honestly, it shouldn't be a total loss, though. At least I tried, though, you know. Oh, well. Shouldn't be a total loss, ladies and gentlemen. All right? Okay, for sure. All right? So that's all Dominoes 7 gonna do, say or do. So it'll no longer be called the Lafayette School. It's gonna be called the Leah Chase School, named after named after the wife of Dookie Chase, you know. So that's what this is all about. So they're gonna do the ribbon cutting ceremony probably in the auditorium, you know. So that's all to it, you know. Yeah. So that's all. So I'm walking down Carrollton. I'm about to go get on the bus. Okay. This would have been a show, you know. This definitely would have been a show. All right. Okay. So for some of y'all that don't have a YouTube channel or don't look at YouTube, at least y'all looking at me on Facebook. But if you're looking at me on YouTube, then you already looked at it. Okay. All right. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. About to go do a little something, okay? All right, thank y'all for watching the show and stuff like that. The almost supposed to be ribbon cutting ceremony episode. All right, that's all for now. All right, bye.